Hello, everyone. You know, skin rejuvenation has been such a hot topic these days, but there's so many different options out there. It can kind of be a little overwhelming, but we still want those amazing results, right? So we are bringing in Christy and Nikki Stoker with Skin Appeal to kind of help us decide which treatments are best for us. Ladies, Happy New Year. Thanks for coming in.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Well, Christy, let's start with the new year with introducing maybe someone that doesn't know what all Skin Appeal has to offer.
Great. Skin Appeal is an aesthetic medicine practice. We specialize in non-surgical facial rejuvenation with Botox and fillers, which we've discussed before. We also have our own skincare line, Michael Christy skincare products, and we do skin rejuvenation with lasers and facials and things like that as well.
So you're the perfect person to ask.
Yes.
The difference, what's best for us, what's out there. How do we decide?
Yeah, it can be definitely overwhelming and scary. You know, we always, with any cosmetic procedure, recommend that you speak with an expert, which we are. We've been doing this for over 16 years. So there's nothing that I haven't seen out there. So the best thing to do is just to have a one-on-one consultation for yourself, which we'll talk about an event that we're offering to help you do that. But, you know, you want to make sure you're choosing a treatment that's going to meet your needs and desires. So to have that one-on-one is always a great thing to do. Kind of as a rule of thumb, the deeper the damage, the more aggressive we need to be with like a laser or a skincare treatment. And more aggressive doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to have more downtime or have more risk to it. It just means we're going to get to the depth where the damage has occurred. So many people are kind of confused on whether a chemical peel is going to do it for them or microdermabrasion. And many times that's just not deep enough to get the results that we want.
Now, I know we said we were going to talk about an event that you guys have this weekend, and you guys do a great job of kind of introducing what's out there, what's new. You guys always stay on top of the latest and greatest, and you're going to kind of show us the before and afters of some of the things that are options.
Right.
So let's do the first before and after. Which one is this? Is this the photo facial?
Yes. So we use a Cyton laser at Skin Appeal. Of the 16 years of lasers that I've been doing, this has been my favorite platform that I've ever used. So we call this Forever Young BBL. So Forever Young BBL was named because of a study that Stanford did about 2 or 3 years ago. And they proved on biopsy that if you do this treatment once or twice or 3 times a year, your skin doesn't age. It actually gets younger as you get older, and they actually proved that on biopsy, so we're excited about that. And the nice thing about this one is there's no downtime. So the BBL erases brown spots. Here in the desert, we get lots of sun damage with that. It treats red broken blood vessels as well. It shrinks your pores down, and really just kind of, I call your skin looking photoshopped. So it looks like you have makeup on when you don't.
So you mean I get to walk around with that wonderful filter on my face that I use on Instagram, but I get to look like that in real person. Really quick, I want to mention, I know we saw 2 before and afters. Fellas, that was a guy. This is not just a woman thing. No,
lots of men do it, you know, especially like, you know, outdoor workers and things like that. So it's really popular for men. They get a lot of the deep damage on the neck area as well, so it's a great treatment for that.
Yeah, fellas, come in. You'll love it. I know the next one we have is called the Halo laser. Mm-hmm. And we have a before and after for that. What is the difference?
So Halo, I always say it does everything the BBL does. We're just going deeper into the skin.
Okay.
So now we're going to get more skin tightening. And you can see that on the right, it actually reverses the deep damage as well. So things that haven't appeared and things that we did when we were probably not so good with our sunblock 20 years ago or lingering underneath the skin. But you can see the wrinkle reduction, and you actually get a lift with this as well. So it's a really great treatment with not a lot of downtime to give you a great smoothing result.
And really, like you said before, a lot of what's available, no downtime. We can come in and out, look fabulous. We should definitely look into a lot of, I love that you're saying deeper doesn't mean more invasive. It just means we're going to get what we need to get out. And we have one more to look at. Is this the contour?
Yes.
Oh.
So contour laser is for those really deep wrinkles. So these are people that have gotten significant sun damage over the years. You know, people that grow up in Arizona, Florida, you usually see those really deep wrinkles on the face. And to get these completely smooth, we really have to basically take the top layer of skin off. So this one does have significant heal time, but it can do some really, really amazing changes on the skin. I consider it like ironing the skin.
Oh.
And you do kind of look like I ironed your skin with that one. But it's a great treatment. And after about 8 days, you look fantastic with reversing some of those deeper damages. The Halo is kind of a nice alternative. So for people that don't want that deep downtime, then Halo's a nice option kind of as a step down.
Well, these before and afters have been amazing. And I know, like you said, come in, ask questions, see what's best for you. And Nikki, we do have that event that's coming up on Saturday, and it's kind of like a nice atmosphere to learn about it.
It is, yeah. We're doing our Ageless Beauty Laser and Skin event this upcoming Saturday, January 13th. It'll be from 1 to 3 p.m. at the Hacienda del Sol. It's going to be a fun educational event. We're going to have lots of door prizes, so we encourage people to come out and learn a little bit more about these lasers.
It's kind of like a party. Like, bring your girlfriends,
Yeah.
everybody come, ask questions. We might walk away with a wonderful prize. But it's kind of like a nice atmosphere to learn about it. It's, you know, you guys do these quite often, and I think they're very popular.
Yeah, they're great. We love to educate our patients. I think that's, you know, there's a lot of myths out there,
Yeah.
and I like for people to really understand what they're doing, not only with lasers, but with skincare as well. You know, there's a lot of miscommunications.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to make sure to give those details one more time, Nikki, that we were talking about so everyone can come out. I know we have to RSVP, but ladies, thank you so much for coming in. Our first one of 2018.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
This has been fabulous. The Ageless Skin event is taking place this Saturday from 1 to 3 in the afternoon at Hacienda del Sol's Murphy Room. Seating is limited, you guys, so RSVP, give them a call at 520-261-SKIN or visit myskinappeal.com for more information as well.